The 8 best heavenly ways to cook chicken. The last one is absolutely incredible. First one, watch closely, everyone. This is my favorite way to cook chicken. You don't need a drop of water or many seasonings. It keeps the original flavor, and if you can boil water, you can easily learn this. For chicken, it's best to use this kind of free-range local chicken with small feet. The meat is firmer. Where I'm from, 1 gene of local chicken is 500 grams. How much does it cost where you are? After washing it, chop it into slightly smaller pieces. Fresh free-range chicken doesn't need blanching. First add some shredded ginger, 1 spoon of salt, and 1 spoon of pepper. Then add some Guangdong rice wine and a little peanut oil for extra aroma. Then put a glove on your left hand. Mix it evenly by hand and marinate for 15 minutes. Every day, I share simple, delicious home-cooked dishes. Please tap the little heart to support me. Thank you so much. Next, add water to the pressure cooker. Put in a steaming rack and a plate. Then place the marinated chicken on it. Remember, don't add water to the chicken itself. Cover it directly. Cook over medium-low heat, and once it comes to pressure, cook for 20 minutes. Time's up. Open the lid. Wow, this smells amazing. The chicken is tender and smooth and full of flavor. It's seriously so fragrant. If you like it, save it first. Second one, next time you buy chicken legs, you have to try this scallion oil-braised chicken that Cantonese people love. It's easy and delicious. It's simple and tasty. For the seasoning, add light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, salt, sugar, pepper, and oyster sauce. Mix well and marinate for 20 minutes so it soaks up more flavor. Then heat oil in a pan, add scallions and ginger, and fry slowly over low heat. This step is crucial. The scallion aroma depends on it. Fry until slightly golden, then take them out. Add the marinated chicken legs to the pan and stir-fry over medium-low heat. Once they're lightly browned and fragrant, pour in the remaining sauce. Cover and simmer over low heat for 4 to 5 minutes. When the time's up and you open the lid, the whole room fills with rich scallion and meat aroma. This scallion oil-braised chicken turns out tender and juicy, with tons of scallion flavor. Third one, don't cook chicken the usual way after buying it. Follow me and make this home-style Cantonese soy sauce chicken. The sauce flavor is incredibly rich. It's absolutely delicious. Prepare 1 whole chicken with 2 legs. Blanch it with boiling water first, so it colors more easily. Then add ginger and garlic. Add 2 spoons of light soy sauce, half a spoon of dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Rub it evenly all over, inside and out, and marinate for 20 minutes. Line the bottom of the rice cooker with scallion sections, then add the marinated chicken. Pour in all the marinade too, cover, and press the cook button. It's done in 35 minutes. This rice cooker soy sauce chicken comes out tender, juicy, and absolutely delicious. If you like it, hurry up and try it too. Fourth one, next time you make dry pot chicken at home, don't blanch it and don't deep fry it. Just follow my method. You'll get restaurant-level flavor, fragrant, spicy, and well-seasoned. Heat oil in a wok, add ginger slices, then pour in the chopped chicken. This kind of fresh chicken doesn't need blanching. Just stir-fry it directly, and fry it a bit longer until it's lightly charred. It'll taste even better. Then start another pan, add extra ginger, garlic, dried chilies, a little Sichuan peppercorn, and 1 spoon of doubanjiang, and stir-fry until fragrant. I update different home-cooked dishes every day, so please give me a follow, so you can always find me when you want something good to eat. Then add the chicken back in, plus light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, a little salt, chicken bouillon, sugar, and pepper. Turn to high heat and keep stir-frying until the flavors soak in. Before serving, add some green and red peppers and diced onion, and stir-fry evenly. Made this way, dry pot chicken is spicy, fragrant, super satisfying, and perfect with rice.
第5道
This is a home-style dish every Guangdong mom knows how to make. Sand ginger scallion oil chicken. I think this is the tastiest way to cook chicken. Prepare half a young chicken and sprinkle it with fine salt. Rub it evenly inside and out. Line the plate with scallions and ginger. Place the chicken on top, and once the water boils, steam it over high heat for 20 minutes. The key to delicious scallion oil chicken is this soul sauce, sand ginger and shallots, with hot oil poured over to bring out the aroma. Add 2 spoons of light soy sauce and a little sesame oil. Mix well, then drizzle it over the chicken and it's ready to eat. Simple, right? Once you've learned it, go make it. Sixth one, cooking chicken is one of my specialties, especially this ginger scallion tossed chicken. It's fresh, fragrant, silky tender, and so delicious. Put 2 chicken leg quarters into cold water. Add scallions, ginger, and cooking wine to remove any odor, a little salt, and a few gardenia fruits for color. Cover with a lid. After boiling for 20 minutes, take them out. Soak them in cold water for 5 minutes. Then tear them into small pieces with your left hand. In a bowl, add minced ginger, chopped scallions, minced garlic, and white sesame seeds. Pour over hot oil to release the aroma. Then add salt and chicken bouillon. Add 1 spoon of the chicken broth and a little sesame oil. Mix well, then finish with some cilantro and pour it over the shredded chicken. Then use your left hand to toss it evenly, and it's ready to eat. This ginger scallion tossed chicken turns out fresh, fragrant, silky, and tender. Once you've learned it, hurry up and make it. Seventh one. A lot of people blanch chicken as soon as they bring it home. No wonder yours turns out dry, tough, and not tasty. This kind of fresh chicken doesn't need blanching. Once it's cleaned, put it straight into the pan and stir fry over high heat to render out the fat. That's what makes it taste better. Before I knew it, I've already posted hundreds of home-cooked dishes, but I still haven't gotten your little heart. That's just too sad. For this video, please tap that lucky little monkey for me. Thanks a lot. Then add ginger, garlic, bird's eye chilies, half a spoon of light soy sauce, a little dark soy sauce, some hard-earned salt, and oyster sauce. Stir fry over high heat until fragrant, then pour in a can of beer. It not only removes any odor, but also makes the meat more tender. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Finally add some green pepper, chicken bouillon, and pepper to season. Stir fry a few more times over high heat, and it's ready to serve. This green pepper stir-fried chicken tastes even better than the restaurant version. If you like it, give it a try. 8th one. In Guangdong, there are many ways to cook chicken, but the most classic method is still poached chicken. But a lot of people make poached chicken too old and dry, and it doesn't taste good at all. Today I'll show you the detailed method. Let me tell you, the first step to making white-cut chicken is choosing the right chicken. It's best to pick one like this, with clearly defined grain. A free-range farm chicken with firm meat and fat. Sprinkle on a little salt and rub it evenly all over the chicken, inside and out, to remove any dirt on the surface. Then rinse it clean with water. Add a spoonful of salt, scallions, ginger, to the soaking water to remove any gaminess. If you want a prettier color, you can also add a few chopped Cape jasmine fruits. Once the water comes to a full boil, turn it down to low heat. Then lower the chicken in and lift it out 3 times so it heats more evenly inside and out. What I share every day are simple, delicious home-cooked dishes. If you like it, please give it a like and follow me, so next time when you're craving it but don't know how to make it, you can always find me. White-cut chicken is poached, so never cook it over high heat, and there's no need to cover the pot. Keep it just below a boil. That's the key to making white-cut chicken fresh, tender, and tasty. For a chicken around 3 Gene, poach it for 25 minutes, then take it out and plunge it into ice water. That way, the skin will be even crispier. Next, chop the chicken into small pieces and plate it. Then make 2 dipping sauces. One is ginger scallion sauce. Put minced ginger and chopped scallions in a bowl, and pour hot oil over them to bring out the aroma. For seasoning, just add salt. No other seasonings needed. The other is sand ginger scallion oil sauce. Put sand ginger and shallots in a bowl, then pour hot oil over them as well to release the fragrance. Season with only light soy sauce and a little sesame oil. Just mix well, and this classic Cantonese dish, white-cut chicken, fresh, fragrant, tender, and silky, is ready. Dipped in this soul of a sauce, it's unbelievably fragrant. If you love chicken, save this and give it a try.